In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw maps in Figma in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're not already familiar with Figma, it's an amazing web-based tool that enables designers to create interfaces collaboratively. Once there, locate the login button, which you should see at the top right of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Figma account. You'll know you're logged in when you see your personal dashboard displaying recent files. After logging in, navigate to the Figma homepage. This is where you can access all your workspaces and files. Now, select Design from the options presented to you. This section is pivotal as it maximizes the creative space for your design process, ensuring you're in the right environment to start building your map. Now that we're in the design area, we need to search for map. This can be done from the search bar located on the top of your design space. Type in map and let the system search through the available templates and components. Once you find the map maker, make sure you give it a click. This tool is essential for our task as it provides a solid foundation with its pre-formatted settings to begin creating a detailed map. Next, it's time to take action by clicking on Run. The Run function allows the map maker plugin to launch. This plugin is incredibly useful because it provides easy access to map making tools without leaving the Figma interface. It streamlines tasks significantly, saving you time and effort that would otherwise be spent on setting up everything manually. With the map maker running, we're on to the final step, applying your newly created map. Look for the Apply button within your plugin interface. Clicking Apply will integrate the map directly into your Figma design file. It's as simple as that. This ensures your map is part of your main project and can be adjusted and modified just like any other element within your design space. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted map right within Figma, ready for any detailed modifications you wish to make. Remember, the beauty of Figma is its flexibility and collaborative nature, allowing you to make changes and adaptations in real time while working along with your team. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. Happy designing!